Let's continue our overview of the controller class for our prime calculator demo project. setPrimeCalculator is the method that remembers the reference to the data object implementing the mathematical algorithms and storage of computed prime numbers. And of course, we add our listener to broadcast the result of the calculation to the text field that gets updated with the highest prime number that has been computed, and also update the text area to show the results of the set of computed prime numbers to the user. And once this update is complete, we can now enable the calculate button again to let the user continue with the next batch of prime numbers if they want to continue this computation. For the user interface, we have button calculate, which uses this handler on-click calculate, and also just a couple of text fields and the text area. Okay, finally, let's also open the main class. It really is pretty standard. It really has not changed that much at all compared to the previous demo of the running clock time display. So, in summary, in JavaFX we have worker interface. We also have the task, which is an abstract class implementing the worker interface for things that we want to run in our background worker threads, and the service. So JavaFX concurrent service is like an executor that runs the thread. So the service executes the work that is defined by the task class, call method override. And the work is done in separate thread. So the nice thing about the service is that we don't have to handle the threading ourselves. It's the service class that takes care of the threading for us. And we have the concrete implementation here in our prime calculation service class. When using the service, we don't have to create new thread or runnable interface to implement. All is handled by the service class internally. I personally recommend this specific prototype, which is Week 13.06 Primes, to use it as a prototype for your programming assignment 8, which is the multi-threaded version of the previous assignment, finding the largest file in a directory. I think this prototype right here, prototype number 6, has all parts and components that would satisfy the needs for searching a directory for the largest file, and I would appreciate any new ideas regarding handling the user interface in your solution, and I look forward to see your implementation.